Want faster, more reliable internet on Windows 11? Change your DNS in under a minute using the control panel. Here's how to do it step by step. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel and select it from the search results. Then go to Network and Internet. Network and Sharing Center. Change Adapter Settings. Or for a faster shortcut, open the Start menu, type View Network and select View Network Connections from the results. Right-click your active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version for TCP IPv4, then select Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. You'll now see two boxes. Preferred DNS. Enter your main DNS server address. Alternate DNS. Enter a backup server in case the first one isn't available. On screen, you'll see example DNS addresses like Google or Cloudflare. Just type them into the boxes. Click OK, then close. Your internet will now use the new DNS servers. If your network supports IPv6, you can repeat the same steps for TCP IPv6. Full details are in the full tutorial. That's the easiest way to change DNS in Windows 11. If you're not sure what a DNS server is, which ones are best, or you'd like to see another way to change DNS, be sure to watch the full tutorial. Click or tap the video on the screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.